Hello, welcome to VONNIETALK. Today is the first day of 2025. Let's check our workshop. What are they busy for? Let's go. Now this is the raw material. This is the part of the straightening machine. You can see that is the casting part for the straightening machine. And we also have the raw material here. Chinese New Year holiday is coming, so we will prepare the material, the parts, before the Chinese holiday. So after Chinese holiday, then we start working. We will start to install the machine and prepare the parts process. The purpose is to keep the delivery time for our customer. Those straightening parts is for the new orders that we will install after Chinese holiday. Now we also have the straightening machine. We will hurry up to install the machine. Some orders need to be shipped before the Chinese holiday. Also now have the straightening machine and the irregular straightening machine will be shipped before the Chinese holiday. To keep the delivery time of the straightening machine, now we keep enough parts in our workshop. Those are the parts for the straightening machine. Also for the drawing machine, that's all are the parts. You can see the steel channel. And now we are welding the rack. So you another part. Those are the material for the drawing machine. Also we have the another parts. Those steel all prepared enough for the new orders. Then after Chinese holiday, then we can install the machines as soon as possible to keep the delivery time for our customer. We will start the Chinese New Year holiday on 23 January. So we will prepare all parts of the machines. Then we will install the orders which will be shipped before the Chinese holiday. So we only have 22 days. Need to hurry up to busy for those works. If you are interested in the cold drawing machine, straightening machine, and the plating machine, welcome to contact us.